All right, I got the Besswin 6-in-1 lightweight corded vacuum. Cordless vacuums are cool for small stuff, and when you want a little bit of a bigger job done, and with the power of a corded vacuum, this is a 450 watt motor. So this was sent to me for evaluation purposes so I could show it to you, but all opinions are gonna be my own. I'm gonna take this thing downstairs and vacuum my floor. We'll see how it works. I'll do a little demo in a little bit. Came packaged very nicely in this box, all packed in styrofoam, arrived safe. Super lightweight, many different options on here. Let me just put it together. Let me show you what you get with this real quick. You have an instruction manual, but I'm not going to use the instructions. We're just going to figure this out. And there's a quick installation guide that comes with it that shows you how to settle this up. One of the cool features about this too is it has an actual mount that comes with it with mounting hardware. So you can screw this to the wall, mount this to the wall, and wherever you want, in your closet or wherever. Plenty of space. It's so lightweight. And there's a little hook feature on the back here. This just hooks on here, and you can mount it to the wall. Perfect. Store it out of the way. Doesn't take up any space at all. Looks like there's at least a 20-foot cable on here. But let's put this together real quick. It has like a couple of different filters on here. It looks washable, really super simple to do. So we got this cup on here. We got a couple little hooks on here. This just sits inside of there. And there's a HEPA filter that comes with it. Again, looks easily washable. That just sets inside of there. Line the blue up to the top. Get it on there and snaps into place. And there's a little button here to release it too. It holds 1 liter of dirt and dust right here. You can just hold that over the trash can and dump it out. Easy. Blow it out in there. Simple as that. It has a couple of different attachments on here. It's got the brush. You can actually just attach it that way if you want. It's got this for crevices and so forth. Attached that way. And it has the actual brush feature on here, which is good for hardwood floors and smaller pile carpet. It's got a little lever on here. Press this up and raise it up. You can get carpet and down off the floor. It's got wheels on it, so it rolls nice and easy. And this rotates 360 degrees and has an angle on it, so you can get into all kinds of different spaces. But my favorite feature, because I'm 6'2", is this telescopic pole on here. So you can set this guy up, and we've got a telescopic pole. And if you're taller like me, you can just push the button on the telescopic pole and get all kinds of length out of that. That's going to be perfect for me. So let's check it out. It's very lightweight. Moves real nice on my kind of thicker carpet. Look at that. All the way up here. You get back into that corner real easy. Look at that. Underneath the baseboard heater. Here's the big test right here. These little carpet. Look at that. I like that. Look at that. Let's pull the lid. I'm trying to do this one hand. Get it over top of a trash can and dump it in. You're good to go. So if you're looking for a powerful 6-in-1 vacuum cleaner that's lightweight, can be stored away in the closet easily, has many different attachments for many different types of functions, cleaning your furniture, your floor, getting into crevices, whatever. You got a telescopic pull on here so you can reach high to reach places, curtains, and so forth. Check out this one by Besswin. Check it out.